thing. Many of them will like people. You be like me then.
I don't look at it. I don't want to take off.
You talk like you
that thing on purpose now.
You got nothing. I call them now. When I call them, I make a ask who will chop food. Now if you can't talk to us, you take to them. I say, if you want food, take it. But now this talk close up. Don't even talk to me. Like, do you know me? Like, do you know white money? Now here they know me. Maybe entertainment. Now here, no, they don't know me.
BB Naija Season 6 housemate White Money blows out as he vows to beat Perry at his own game. White Money has made it clear that he will kill Perry with kindness, and he knows Perry sees him as a big threat on the reality TV show. White Money made this claim during a conversation with fellow housemate GMK, Jackie B, J. Paul, and Princess. However, what led to the conversation was the argument that transpired between Maria, Perry, and White Money about having 18-inch hair. The argument went so far that White Money felt bad about the attack from Perry and Maria, and he assumed the attack was something personal and not just about the fact that they did not believe his claims of having 18-inch long hair. GMK said she felt bad that she started the conversation and it ended up as a fight between White Money and Maria. White Money said Perry and Maria have been like that to him and he knows where the energy is coming from. He added that he could only solve the issue by showing kindness to them, especially Perry. He said, Perry sees me as a threat and he knows I am smarter than him. I'll kill him with kindness. GMK replied that she knows that she is new to the house, but so far she has observed that Perry sees him as a big threat. She said it is nice to know your competitors in a game, but it should not be toxic or malicious, she said.
Anybody sitting down there will know that this discussion has gone past.
And he called the parent and they try.
You know this I don't go speak.
You want to try to wind me? I said, what the I just had to. I just called the thing immediately. I just said, okay. I know this one called it agenda. You don't wind this guy yesterday and I mean what come No. The only thing we just tell me, say, you don't know. See, like what Princess was telling us.